Yes, students. So today we are starting chapter number 2, exponents. It means powers. So what is exponents? Definition of a exponent: if a number is multiplied by itself repeatedly, the product can be expressed in the exponential form. For example, if 5 is multiplied 3 times, so 5 is to the power 3. So 5 is the base. 5 is the base and 3 is powers. Pay attention, very easy chapter, and I hope you will understand properly. Once again, I am repeating: if a number is multiplied by itself repeatedly, the product can be expressed. The product will be exponential form. 5 multiplied 3 times, so 5 is the power 3. So 5 is the base and 3 is the power. It means this is exponent. 3 is the exponent. Have you understood? So 5 is base and 3 is the exponent. Now, for solving the questions related to exponents, some main points you have to memorize and you have to apply to solve the questions. So what are the main points? Main points of the topic. Main points of the topic. Main points of the topic. These main points are known laws of exponents. Laws of exponents. X raised to the power m multiplied by x raised to the power n. X is base, n is power. X is base, n is power. If bases are same, x and x both are equal, so add their powers. So result will be equal to x raised to the power m plus n. So what is law? If bases are same, this also x, this also x. For example, for your understanding, 5 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 3. So 5 and this also 5, both are equal. So add their powers. So 2 plus 3. So result will be 5 raised to the power 5. 5 raised to the power 5. It means if we multiply 5 times, so result will be equal to this. You can check. 5 5 are 25. 5 5 are 25. 5 are 125. Now multiply them. So 25 5 are 125. So 3000. So 3125. So this also will be equal to this one. Yes or no? 3125. So 5 raised to the power 5 also same result. So this is first law. Second, if bases are same, x raised to the power m divided by x raised to the power n is equal to x raised to the power m minus n. X raised to the power m minus n. Any doubt, any confusion? So what is our rule? If bases are same, suppose 5 raised to the power 3 divided by 5 raised to the power 2. So what will the answer? Because bases are same, this also 5, this also 5. So 3 minus 2 will be equal to 5. Because bases are same, so power will subtract. So 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So 5 raised to the power 1 means 5. Next, x raised to the power m whole power n. So when we solve the bracket, result will be x raised to the power mn. X raised to the power mn. For example, 2 raised to the power 2 whole power 3. So it will be equal to 2 raised to the power 6. 2 raised to the power 6. Any doubt? Next, raised the power minus m will be equal to x raised the power m. 1 by x raised the power m. Understood? Understood? Yes. Next, x raised the power 0, result will be 1. For example, if 5 raised the power 0, result will be 1. 2 raised the power 0, result will be 1. Next, x raised the power m by x raised the power n whole power p. Whole power p. It means it will the power of mp. It will the power np. So it will be multiplied with both. Any doubt, any confusion? X raised the power m by x raised the power n whole power p. So x raised the power np, x raised the power np. Understood? Okay, now some questions related to exponents. Exercise 2.1, the value of 2 by 5 raised the power minus 4. Raised the power minus 4. So, laws of exponents I explained properly. X raised the power minus m will be equal to x raised the power plus m. If a negative power we have to convert into positive, so take reciprocal. Clear? Because x raised the power minus m is equal to x raised the power 1 by x raised the power m. So negative power will be converted into positive. Same rule is here. Now this is negative power. So convert into positive. To convert into positive, take reciprocal. So 2 by 5 is the given rational number. Now if I will convert into positive power, so 5 by 2 raised the power 4. 5 by 2 raised the power 4. It means 5 is multiplied 4 times. 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So 5 by the 25, 25 by the 125. Now 125 by the, it means 625. If I will multiply 5 times, 4 times, so result will be equal to 625. You can multiply. Now 2 is equal to 2 is multiplied 4 times. It means 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. So 625 by 16. This is the solution. So what is the main points in this question? If negative power is there, if exponent is negative, so first convert into positive. To convert into positive, take reciprocal. So x raised the power minus m is equal to 1 by x raised the power m. Same formula I applied here. 5 by 2 raised the power minus 2 by 5 raised the power minus 4 will be equal to 5 by 2 raised the power 4. Clear? Okay. Now next. So right option is 625. Second part, square bracket 1 by 3 raised the power 2 minus 1 by 3 raised the power 3 multiply by 3 raised the power 3. Understood? Okay. Now 1 by 3 raised the power 2 means 1 by 3 is multiplied 2 times. So 1 by 3, 1 by 3. 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27. So 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. 3 raised the power 3. 3 raised the power 3. 1 by 9, 1 by 9. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 1 by 27. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 27. Any doubt, any confusion? Okay, first solve the bracket. 3 square means 1 by 9 and 1 by 3 raised to the power 3 means 1 by 3 is multiplied 3 times. So it will be equal to 1 minus 1 by 27. So how to solve this statement? You already know by taking LCM. So direct I am taking LCM. LCM of 9 and 27 is equal to 27. According to rule, first solve the bracket. So LCM of 9 and 27 is 27. Are you understanding? Yes. Now pay attention. Those students don't know how to take LCM. Please do practice. So LCM, it means least common multiple. So 27 is LCM. Divide 27 by 9. 9 3s are 27. So 3 multiplied by 1. Because if I will divide 27 by 9, quotient is 3. 3 multiplied with numerator. Now 27 ones are 27. So 1 multiplied by 1. Multiply by 27. Multiply by 27. So 3 minus 1 by 27. This is 27. Any doubt, any confusion? So 3 minus 1, 2 by 27. Multiply by 27. 27 cancel to 27. So result is 2. Any doubt, any confusion? Okay. Have you understood? Next question in exercise 2.1. Now others are simple. So minus 1 raised the power. Other thing. If any negative number question number 2, second part I am taking minus 1 raised the power 12. Minus 1 raised the power 12. So for this you have to keep one thing in your mind. If any negative number is multiplied even times, result will be plus. If any negative number is multiplied odd time, result will be in minus. Is this clear? Yes, one small example I will take minus 2 raised the power 2. It means minus 2 minus 2. Minus minus becomes plus, result is 4. So here also same thing. Minus 1 raise the power by 12. 12 is even or odd? Even. So if I will multiply minus 1, no need to check. Yes, 12 times will multiply. So no need to solve the problem like this. Direct also you can write because negative number is multiplied even time. So result will be 1 because if I will multiply 1 minus 1 12 times, so for your clarification minus 1. So 1 pair minus 1 2 pair minus 1 multiply minus 1 3 minus 1 multiply minus 1. So like this plus plus plus, so result will be plus. Okay. Now question number 5. So question number 5 I am taking fourth part. Question number 5 fourth part. Minus 3 by 4 raised the power 3 multiply 3 raised the power minus 3 by 4 raised the power minus 2 minus 2 by 3 . raised to the power 3. So minus 3 by 4 is multiplied how many times? 3 times. Minus 3 by 4, minus 3 by 4, minus 3 by 4. Because negative power is there, so to convert it into positive, take reciprocal. So 4 raised to the power 2 by 3 raised to the power 3. 4 raised to the power 2 or 3 raised to the power 3. This negative power becomes positive, this negative becomes positive. Any doubt, any confusion? Minus 2 by 3 is multiplied how many times? 3 times. So minus 3 minus 3 9 9 by 16 multiply by minus 3 by 4. Are you understanding? First I multiplied minus 3 by 4 with minus 3 by 4, minus minus becomes plus. So 9 by 16, 9 by 16, and this is minus 3 by 4. Now 4 square means 4 is multiplied 2 times 16. 3 cube means 3 is multiplied 3 times 27. 27. 2 cube means 2 is multiplied 3 times, so 8. And 3 cube means 3 is multiplied 3 times, 27. 27. So 27 by 64. 9 multiplied with minus 3, minus 27 by 64. 27 is LCM. 27 is LCM. So 16 minus 8. 16 minus 8. So minus 27, 64. 16 minus 8, 8 by 27. 8 by 27. So 27 cancel to 27. 8 8 is 64. So minus is there. So minus 1 by 8. Minus 1 by 8. Any doubt, any confusion? Once again I am repeating. Minus 3 raised to the power 3 means minus 3 by 4 is multiplied 3 times. So minus 3 by 4, minus 3 by 4, minus 3 by 4. So 3 raised to the power minus 3, 4 raised to the power minus 2. So take reciprocal. So 4 by 2, 3 raised to the power 3 minus 2 cube by 3 cube. So 16 by 27, 8 by 27. LCM is 27, so 8 by 27. So simplify it. Minus 1 by 8 is the solution. So this is all for today. In next discussion, we will discuss about the next main points which will be applied to solve the next exercise. Thank you. Thank you.